So I'm nearly at the end, and we'll just cut and to finish. So this is how it looks till the end. So what you now need to do is get your glue gun, apply carefully. Please remember that the gum now is very hot. Then you start rolling. Please be careful because it's now very hot. And you start applying and be rolling as you're applying it. You'll be rolling. You'll be rolling as you're applying it. Please, if this is your first time of joining us, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're highly welcome. I love you. Definitely love you. So, please, I would like, if you like what I've done and you want to continue following, please press the like button. Press the like button so that you continue to see my videos. So this is how it looks. So now after this, what we need to do is remember that we have removed the petals. So you now start applying it to each one of it carefully. Carefully, you'll be following the petal arrangements. I hope you can see it. You'll be following the petal arrangements. Apply gum. Follow the petal. Don't overlap. Don't overlap. Let it sit on its own. So if this is your first time, you're very welcome. Very, very welcome. We love you. I would like you to press that like button so that you'll be able to be seeing more of these videos. Please follow us on this channel, on my Instagram page. Can you see we fully arranged it here? Fully arranged it here. So what we now do is, that is where your crayon comes in. I'm going to, so that it gives me a bit of these the green, since I'm using green. So I'm using this to color it, color the front too, so that it will have a touch of the green. So anything is possible when you're doing crafts or when you're doing flowers. So always make sure all these things are right beside you, and you will see the outcome of it. This is it. You apply gum at the base and place it in the center. That center that you saw, place it inwards. Can you see? Then what you now need to do is start applying gum, the glue gun. Apply, go round, but you have to be careful. So we'll press it together. Press it together. All these ones at the back, it's still going to be placed on something, but and you spread it out. Can you see? you spread it out. And that's how I achieved this other one. In the next class, I'm going to show you how I placed this flowers on airband. Yeah, I'm going to show you how we place all these flowers on hairband. So if you have not followed me, I would like you to follow me. Don't worry, I promise I'll follow you back. And also press the like button. And also, if you really want to ask me any questions, I will definitely answer you. Thanks for joining us. Love you.